Makita 40 volt circular saws. So they're actually gonna launch with 3 options. So you have your standard top handle, and then you're gonna have a rear handle option, both for 7¼ inch, and then they're just going right for it and getting you a 10¼ inch rear handle circular saw. So first let's talk about the 40 volt top handle. This is the GSH01 7¼ inch. This is the Sidewinder design. It is 6,000 RPMs, claiming faster cutting than previous models and competitors. When you're choosing this design, you want it lightweight. This is a 9.7 pounds, which is 1.5 pounds lighter than the previous model. So cutting depth at 90 degrees is gonna be 2 5/8. And you need power to get that full depth, and this saw has a lot of power. In terms of some of the advanced features, this also has the XPT, the Extreme Protection Technology to resist dust and water. Also has AWS. So that is the auto start wireless system that are on some of the vacs and things for dust collection. And it's just gonna be built in. There's no multiple models. It's just built in, which they should have done from the beginning. The base on this is the die-cast magnesium base. With the other option, you could actually get a replacement base, which is a GSH02 track compatible. So if you want to run this saw with your existing Makita tracks, you can just get the replacement base and you are good to go. So if you're looking for the left blade skill saw style, GSR01 is the model number. So you're getting more power. This is actually 6,400 RPM. Cut capacity on this saw is 2 9/16, actually 1/16 less than the Sidewinder style. Of course, the granddaddy of them all when it comes to circular saws. Rear handle, 10¼ inch. This is a model GSR02. Cut capacity is a whopping 3¼ inch. This will go through a 4x4 in a single pass. So there's not a whole lot of 10¼ on the market. Only one other current competitor in the cordless solution. So this is a very similar design to the 7¼ inch rear handle. It's gonna be a little heavier, obviously, a 13.3 pounds. It is 3.2 pounds lighter than the corded version, which Makita has been, I would say, one of the leaders in the 10¼ inch rear handle circular saw space for decades. A circular saw has 15 amps corded, which now is getting to the point where these battery technologies like the 40 volt are actually outperforming what you can get with a corded tool. So do you need to replace your corded or other older cordless circular saws with a 40 volt? Yeah, you do. You're gonna get better performance with a cordless solution than you are with a corded. So it is time, if it's time to upgrade, then you should definitely look at one of these platforms. Makita is a great option here. All the Makita 40 volt tools are available at ohiopowertool.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.